Today I'll be reviewing this wireless lavalier microphone. It is advertised as plug and play, and this is how it came. I bought it from Temu for about €8 or $10. So if I open the box, this is what it comes with. It comes with a small manual, the microphone itself with a small sponge for reducing the wind noise, the device that plugs into the actual iPhone, and a charging cable, micro USB-C if it will focus on there. And the next clip now will be with the microphone plugged in, and let's see how the audio actually sounds. This is now with the microphone connected. I'm sure you can hear a difference between the first video and now the second video with the microphone connected. It says on the box that it has a range of up to 20 meters. I can't verify that right now, but I will get back to you guys on that. And it says it's highly sensitive, which you can tell for yourself by listening to this audio. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below of what you might like to see a review on next.